Boy, that motherfucking street light catch you like this. Hey, I'm talking about, boy, nigga finna run home like a drive-by just happened, boy. But you think a nigga busting him, boy, what? Nigga finna get the fuck home. Bro, this shit always happen, bro. I'm talking about the day just active, like everybody outside, bro. Basketball court loaded. Nigga done had a baseball game today. How go see Manhunt. I'm talking about, nigga, girls walking around, bro. It always happen on them days like that, bro. You know you got to go in the house. You look around like, bro, it ain't nobody packing up to go in the house. Like, this bitch loaded, bro. Like, you keep looking back and forth at that motherfucker, bro. Like, bro, I know I got to walk off, bro. I got to do it. Bro, when you finally, I'm telling you, wait all the way till it look like this, bro. You try to walk off all like you cool as hell, but as soon as you get out of your friend's sight, nigga, why? Nigga, get home, but mom do stand up waiting on you at the belt like this.